Today, we're going to walk through how you can use Houzz Pro to manage your design projects. The first place to start is by installing the Clipper. The Clipper is a favorite tool for most of our designers. It will allow you to save time throughout the sourcing process and save money by avoiding costly mistakes. Clipper is a Chrome extension that will allow you to save your favorite products to your library or to specific projects quickly. To download it, type Houzz Pro Clipper into the Google search. Open the link to the Google Chrome store and then install it into your browser. Once it's installed, when you go to any website and click on the Houzz icon up here, a window will open where you can add in the product details and images. Let's start clipping this table. You can add in up to 5 of the images. Then go through and highlight any of the relevant information, and it will automatically be added into this panel on the right. You can add the description, the category, the vendor, and choose a project in the room that you want it to be added to. You can also check the box here next to add directly to board, so it will be added into a selections board. We'll talk about that in a minute. Now, let's go into our selection board, which is a great place to house all of your design ideas, client feedback, and budget considerations in one place. If you prefer to make selections prior to sending a proposal to your client, we'll show you here how to start with the selections board and easily convert it into a proposal or invoice after the selections are approved and finalized. To access the selection board, you can navigate to selection boards here within a project or on this landing page. We can see that the table we just clipped was automatically added to this board, and any other projects that you've already clipped for this project will also show up here under project items. You can add 3D floor plans or mood boards that you've created directly into your board to create a single source of information for the project. And then if you click on that specific product, a panel will open up here on the side where you can edit any of the details. The commenting icon is a great way to add in comments either for your client or for your team. And they'll get a notification when a comment has been added there. If you click on these 3 dots, you can see what other options are available for the image, like changing the size, hiding the image, adding it to a section, or removing it from the board. One very useful feature is this budget bar up here. You can add in the budget, and then as the items are being approved and declined, you can see how they impact the budget for the rooms. So you can check here whether you want to include it in the budget, see the budget updates there, or not. You can also create sections within the selections board to keep your board organized. By product type, by trade, however you wish. Just click here to create new section. Drag and drop the product. And then you can rename this section up here. Once you're ready to share your board with your client, click on Preview and Share up here to see the options. Once your client approves the selections board, you can convert it directly to a proposal. Now that we're in the proposal, you'll see that all of your company information has been pulled through from your profile. You can edit this information by clicking on the pencil icon up here. You'll see all of the approved products from the selections board. If you click Customize, you can choose which columns you want to show to your client. If you want to add anything else, you can search for the items you want to add by writing in the name or category here. Or you can add saved products from your library up here, like some of those products that we clipped earlier. Clicking the plus icon here will add them to your proposal. Notice this crossed out eye icon. That indicates that the markup will only be visible to you in the internal version of your proposal, and it won't be visible to your client. If you want to include a custom piece, add all the items that you're ordering for that piece, like a chair, and then group them under one main header. Select all the components, click Create Group, and we'll call this here our custom chair. Again, this crossed out eye icon here indicates that those components won't be visible to your customers. Once you have the proposal built, you can set up the payment schedule to let clients know when their bills are due, and so you know when you'll get paid. Just click here to schedule a payment. If you haven't already set up online payments, you can set those up here so clients can easily pay you online through bank transfer or credit card. You can also attach files and upload your terms and conditions. You can save them as a template so that they'll be easy to access. Then when you're ready to send the proposal, hit the preview button up here to see exactly what your clients will see. There are also additional customization options, so you can choose what you want visible to your clients or what you don't. Then, let's send it. Did you receive your payment on the proposal? Now you should create an invoice. Click Create Invoice right up here to create the invoice automatically. Once you get paid on the invoice, you're ready to create a purchase order. Click on the specific items to create purchase order. Go up here to Actions, Create Purchase Order, and create that purchase order to the right vendor. Everything is automatically done for you, and all the relevant information will be carried over to the purchase order. Now we want to track the status of all those items in the selections tracker. This is your one-stop shop that allows you to track product details, order status, tracking information, and more. The tracker will automatically pull in your selections, and you can see the POs that we created are linked here as well. You can filter the tracker by the view that's most relevant for you up here, customize the tracker with your own columns, and even export your tracker to share with team members, vendors, or clients. Look out for a more detailed video specifically on the tracker. Now you should be all set to start using Houzz Pro to manage your design business. Thanks for watching.